The spreadsheet is simple. You will add your income categories and bills and subscription, expenses, savings, and debts and their paycheck budget here. Once you add these categories in this section, everything will automatically go to the budget section in the budget column and the category column. For the actual income, you have to record actual income manually in in these cells, column G. The budget value automatically pop-ups from the Start Here tab. It is 2000. If I change it to 1500, it is updated here as 1500. You will add the actual amount manually, and then variance is calculated based on the formula in the variance column. For the bill, the budget value comes from the Start Here tab. All these values, you will delete everything once you have the sheet, except for the currency column, or I will delete everything for you. And the budget for the actual expenses, bills or expenses, subscription and everything, the user will use this expense tracker. Double click in the date column, the pop-up calendar will appear. Add the amount of the transaction, then select the category. Whatever the category is, you can type in, for example, electricity, and the list will be filtered based on the keywords entered in the category cell. Once you add the amount, it automatically adds up to the total expenses. For example, total entertainment expenses are 250. If I add 250 and select entertainment, you can see that these are now 500. So you spent more than the budget, so variance is negative. The budget was 350, but you spent 500 on entertainment, so the variance is negative. The graph automatically updates based on the data, and once you enter the details, date column is actually not necessary, but it is you can say it is a rule to add dates when you record your expenses. The user will create a separate copy for each paycheck. For example, current paycheck, if we suppose it is 15/1/2025, for the new paycheck, he can go to the file and make a copy and add new data for the second paycheck. The goal tracker, it is also a simple goal tracker. User can add the name of the goals for saving up to 12. Then they will enter start date and the goal date and the goal amount. And if they have some starting amount in hand, they can add the starting amount in here, otherwise leave this blank. The current balance is calculated based on the transaction in this section. For example, if I choose travel fund, and if I add 350 in this section, you will see 350 appears in here. If I again select travel fund and I add 250 in here, the total balance is 600, and these graphs automatically show the progress, and same is for these graphs. The total progress is 6%, it is 6% here, and overall progress is 1.12% because total goal amount is 62,500 and we have saved 700 yet. 61,800 is left to save. So overall progress is 1.12, and this is all. If you have any other question, please let me know. I will explain it. Thank you.